my name is Madhan, and recently I had to shift my house within Bangalore. It's always a tough task to find out the right packers and movers in Bangalore. One of my friends then recommended me to HappyLocate. That is when I got in touch with the HappyLocate team, and they guided me to add up all my inventories in their website, and I was also able to get an instant quotation. So once I confirmed the booking, I immediately got a call and they confirmed about all my inventories. And the good part is, when I missed out few of my products which were added, the team also helped me out on adding up the products which I have missed out earlier. So that is like a wow. So the team came on time. They packed all the items in various boxes. They double layered it. Few of my appliances and kitchen items, they triple layered it. They were very professional. I really appreciate it. I really like the way one of the team member approached me saying, "Sir, आप पूजा आइटम्स हैप्पी बॉक्सेस में पैक कर लो क्योंकि हम नॉन-वेज खाते हैं." After all the packaging was done, they carefully loaded all the items into the truck and they got the moment done. Trust me, the same wow experience I felt during the unload, and I don't have to worry about anything. I would definitely recommend HappyLocate.